Hey everyone, it's Marcus. MSI Center and MSI Center Pro are exclusive software that make the operations easier in either gaming or designing. In the previous video, we have a detailed introduction about what MSI Center can do and how it works. If you haven't watched the video, you can click on the link above for more information about MSI Center. Today, I'm going to talk about MSI Center and MSI Center Pro's brand new functions, Smart Auto and Ambient Silent AI, which are powered by MSI AI engine. Smart Auto is based on the user scenario along with gaming mode and smart priority. In MSI Center, if you haven't downloaded them, just go to Feature Set and find User Scenario, Gaming Mode and Smart Priority to install. However, if you have downloaded them or you're using MSI Center Pro and Smart Auto and Ambient Silent AI don't show up in the user scenario, you can try to update the latest version of MSI Center or MSI Center Pro from the Microsoft Store. In the previous version of User Scenario, you can manually switch the usage modes depending on your needs. The brand new Smart Auto is designed to automatically adjust the best setting for you depending on what you're using. From the Smart Auto icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will also know which mode is in use. Before using Smart Auto, make sure you have downloaded Gaming Mode and Smart Priority, since Smart Auto has to work together with them. Then, click the setting from Smart Auto. Most of the games and creating tools will automatically show up. If you cannot find the software, add the apps from your file. Then choose Gaming Mode for games and Smart Priority for creating tools. Then when you launch the software in the future, the system will automatically switch to Extreme Performance mode for the best performance. In addition, when battery level is lower than a certain percentage, it will turn to Super Battery mode to extend the battery life. Here, you can set up the percentage according to your preference. Of course, MSI Center keeps the manual options for you. If you'd like to customize the performance for advanced setting, click the setting from the Extreme Performance, then set up the overclocking of GPU and VRAM or the fan speed. To better understand when to use Smart Auto, here are some scenarios that you might encounter. Imagine you're just starting your game, but realize you're in silent mode and don't want to exit the game to change settings. Don't worry, because the Smart Auto will actively sense the game being launched and automatically switch to Extreme Performance mode, enhancing system performance for better gaming experience. After the intense battle, you get back to work on your report. Smart Auto will automatically change to Balance mode to increase the battery life and lower the fan noise. During the work, you find your laptop runs out of battery and you can't find your adapter. Smart Auto will automatically change to Super Battery mode to extend the battery life. To save power, it will decrease the panel brightness, keyboard's backlight, and the general performance of your laptop. Ambient Silent AI helps you find the balance between performance and fan noise. Generally, higher system performance comes with a higher fan rotating speed, which will result in a higher fan noise, and it's annoying for some occasions, such as the office or the meeting room. In general, noise will stand out only when its volume is higher than the ambient sound. The traditional silent mode keeps your laptop at a very low fan noise level, which is much lower than ambient noise. Though it's quiet, it will restrict the performance of the laptop, which will sometimes decrease your efficiency. As a result, the brand new Ambient Silent AI is the solution for you. The system will detect the ambient sound level and automatically adjust the fan speed so it won't exceed the surrounding noise. As the fan speed is allowed to increase, the performance can be lifted accordingly. For example, when you walk into a cafe, noise level changes with music playing and people talking. Ambient Silent AI will detect the volume of the surroundings, adjust the fan noise close to the same volume, then the performance will increase within the threshold. You won't have to deal with awkward fan noise, and your laptop can maintain a higher performance. The new MSI AI-powered utilities, Smart Auto and Ambient Silent AI greatly improve the convenience no matter you're gaming, creating, or dealing with other daily tasks. Now it's available in all MSI laptops with Intel's 12th generation processor. For more information about the MSI Center, click the previous video above or go to the MSI Center official website. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next episode. Haven't watched the video, you can update the last